Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Mailchimp for affiliate campaigns, complete guide step by step clearly. To optimize Mailchimp for your affiliate campaigns, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once in, navigate to the Audience tab to create or select your audience. Make sure that your audience is segmented correctly based on your target demographics. After this, design your email campaign by selecting Campaigns from the left sidebar. Choose Create Campaign and select Email to start a new campaign. Customize your email design using one of Mailchimp's templates, ensuring it aligns with your brand. Incorporate eye-catching visuals and valuable content relevant to your affiliate products. Add compelling subject lines that encourage opening the email. Integrate your affiliate links carefully by ensuring they are easily accessible without overwhelming the content. Employ clear call-to-action buttons to guide your readers towards your affiliate links. Next, ensure compliance with FTC regulations by disclosing that your links are affiliate links. You can include a concise disclaimer in your email or within your blog post linked in the email. Once your campaign is designed, preview and test the email to catch any mistakes. Use Mailchimp's A/B testing feature to compare different subject lines or content styles. Select your send time strategically based on when your audience is most active for higher engagement. After sending, monitor the analytics in Mailchimp to evaluate open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Analyze which affiliate products perform best and optimize future campaigns based on these insights. Consider using automation workflows to nurture leads who click on your affiliate links. By following these steps, you'll enhance your Mailchimp optimization for successful affiliate marketing campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.